Grade. I grade the cheese. I grade the cheese. Crush. I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic. Knead. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. Roll. I roll the dough. I roll the dough. Spread. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. Heat. I heat the oil. I heat the oil. Simmer. I simmer the soup. I simmer the soup. Season. I season the onions. I season the onions. Marinate. I marinate the chicken. I marinate the chicken. Drain. I drain the pasta. I drain the pasta. Strain. I strain the tea. I strain the tea. Rinse. I rinse the vegetables. I rinse the vegetables. Measure. I measure the sugar. I measure the sugar. Open. I try to open the jar. I try to open the jar. Close. I try to close the lid. I try to close the lid. Cover. I cover the pot. I cover the pot. Uncover. I uncover the pot. I uncover the pot. Serve. I serve the food. I serve the food. Flip. I flip the pancake. I flip the pancake. Toast. I toast the bread. I toast the bread.